Today I'm gonna be sharing you the source of how I've been able to edit 2 videos in the last 25 days.
What?
Boys, editing is something that is slow, tedious, tiresome, boring, unless you make it fun. AI will not edit your videos. It will just do a bad job and you'll have to do it all over again. That's what'll happen. Videos need that human touch. That's what it's all about. That imperfections, that silence. Huh? Ask AI to edit that. It'll be like, no, it's not good for the retention. Please cut that shit. I'm your big boy brother. And I will help you become a better editor who can edit stuff faster, meaner, stronger. Can you feel the... Okay, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. Please make me rich. That out the way, let's get into the video. Tip number 1. Do you still manually open Windows Explorer? Go to your drive, go to the folder inside the drive, drag and drop it into the editing software. Come on, wake up. You're in big 2026, my guy. That's download Listary. When I'm editing, I don't want to mess around with the file explorer. No, I just want to do my shit and get out. If there's one tool that helps me do it faster than any other tool, it has to be Listary. Default Windows search is dog doo-doo. I hit control twice on my keyboard and this thing pops up and I just search for the file name, blah, 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 and I can just drag the file in. Isn't that simple? Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that how editing should be? Once you start using Listary, you cannot go back. It's seriously a lifesaver. If you're doing huge projects with lots of assets all around the place, you need yourself some Listary so that you can just drag and drop those. That's tip number 1. Tip number 2. Are you someone who creates a new project and then is like, let me create a new timeline. Let me create a new folder. Let me...
Shut up!
Dude, do you think this is the 1940s and you have all the time in the world? No, you don't have time. My guy, you will die. You will die. Let that sink in. You cannot be doing all this shit. Alright? Templates. That's the keyword. Not the ones you download from the internet, but the ones you create with your hands. I have a Reels timeline which I use always. Whenever I want to make any reel, I just drag that timeline in and start working on it. It's that simple because it has, all of my voice isolation, my dialogue track, my music track, that has this ducking thing all set up. So everything is all set up and just the way I like it. And so I save that timeline. Whenever I have to make any reel, I just drag it in. I just drag it back in. That's the smart way to do it. Folder structure. If you just create folders every time you open a new project, you're wasting your time that you can spend with your family. You idiot, your son needs you, your daughter needs you. Instead of spending time with them, you're actually creating new folders inside your new projects. That's what you're doing. That's what you're doing with your time. I envy you, man, but not everyone's got that time. So please, for the love of God, just create a folder structure and save it in your power bins so that every time you create a new project, you can just drag it in. Do that. That'll save you tons of time. Tip number 3. Tres tipos. Are you someone who still genuinely, like for real, do you use the default keyboard profile in your editing software? Use keyboard shortcuts. For example, 1, 2, 3. 1 is the shuttle backwards, rewind key. 3 is the shuttle forwards, it goes forward. 2 is the pause key. I use these every time and they're right above my WASD. I use the S key to split shit. I use the V key to delete and Shift V to ripple delete. I'm gonna make a dedicated keyboard shortcuts video that will expose my entire keyboard shortcuts, so keep waiting for that. That's gonna be elite ball knowledge. It's gonna change editing forever. Or not. Tip number 4. Do you actually use a USB cable, plug it into your system, you plug it into your phone, and you go to the... Do you still do that in big 2026, my guy? Because Quick Share exists. Quick Share... Oh. What's that? You're a Mac user? You must be getting all the girls, man. Good for you. I don't care. I love Android. I live by it till the day I die. Quick Share. As I was saying, it's so fast. I just record this video right here, select it from my gallery, and just whoop, so easy. It's so painless. It's so simple. Yeah, I think it supports Mac too. It supports all Apple devices too. So suck on that, Apple fanboys. What you think? You're better than us? Time for the final tip. I guess you have to log in. Did you do that? I said you have to fucking lock in. If you're an editor and you expect to have a social life, are you kidding? Oh, Daddy, actually, my friends are having a party. Can I go? Lock in. Shut the fuck up and lock in. Shut up and lock in. If you're an editor, you don't have the luxury of going out, meeting people, having fun. Okay? Get that noted in. You cannot go out. You cannot step out of this room. You I swear to God, if I see you outside, I will rip the eyeballs out your socket and I was kidding. That was a joke. Alright? Tip number 5 actually is take a break. Take a break every 1 hour. Like, you have to lock in for 1 hour and give yourself a break of 10 minutes. And in that break, if I find you doom scrolling, I'm gonna rip the eyeballs out your socket and put you. Cool. Shoot. Take a break and take a walk for 10 minutes and your brain will thank you. Your brain is not jumbled. It will have better thoughts. Just have a talk with someone. Human interactions and exercise, that's your best friend, right? But do not catch that phone. That's all I have to say. Hope you learned a thing or two from this video, and thank you for listening to me, and make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, be successful, and always lock in. Don't lose that fire in you. Keep making crazy shit even though everyone around you thinks you're crazy. Thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Love you. Peace.